Home sweet home. What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? Scratch back here, Scratch Outdoors. Back out here at the RV today, well, this evening. Trying to go up on the roof and see what's going on with this antenna. I plugged up a TV and tried to pull some channels, and it pulled some channels, but it wasn't very successful at keeping the channels that it pulled, as in locking them in. So we'll go up here, and I can't get the antenna to move either. So we'll go up here and see what's going on with that. Maybe I'm gonna have to replace it, or maybe it's just stuck and it won't raise up. But we're about to see in a sec. I think this roof needs to be replaced or something. All right, here's the roof. Slide out. Put the roof. See what's going on with this antenna. Hey. So I'm pretty sure the whole thing needs to be replaced. This arm, I don't know if you can see that. Completely broken. This needs to be replaced. And this looks like it'll pull up. What the world? That's the model. Yeah, I think some roof repair needs to be done. See where the guy, I guess he went around and sealed everything, and the reason my antenna wasn't working was because he sealed it. He lap sealed it shut tight, but I don't know. That's a little, it has give in it, so I guess it's supposed to have a little bit of give in it, but I'm not sure. I'm no expert. This is my first RV. Well, let me get down and see if I can get some channels now that I raised it up a little bit. See what we get. Alright, let's see what we can get on this TV today. Got to turn the little light on, the little amplifier. We don't have let's do another TV. Okay. Something tried to come in. That made a difference. Got some Wheel of Fortune on here. Well, let's see what the other 5 channels are. Rewind, Cozy, Laugh, whatever 365 is, Smart TV. Okay. So we got a few channels. We need another antenna because that one's broken, and maybe we'll get a lot more channels. She came out the house. She want to watch some Wheel of Fortune. That's one of her shows. Steve Harvey, Wheel of Fortune. Mom Deuce love it. Found out that the antenna is broken and it needs to be replaced. So much for that. Now I accomplished my goal for today, and I also checked out the roof. So the roof does need to be replaced, as in the, as far as I know right now, it could be the plywood on top and the rubber material. So I guess I need to order what I need and then pick a couple of good days to try to get that repaired, so that I can because I want to paint the outside, but you know, you used to painting the outside if if it's gonna leak or whatever the case may be, or leak in a couple years. So yeah. But while I'm at the RV, I got this little screen door rail I want to put on. I ordered it off of Amazon, so I'm gonna put that on while I'm up here. So let's get to it. a whatchamajiggy, a drill bit to pre-drill it. Try right there. On there. Seems pretty sturdy. Yeah, I can. Got a handle I can grab hold to and close it. Lock that door. Perfect. Well, that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share it with your friends. I'll see y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching.